Great. Thank you very much. I hope everyone enjoyed the presentation and these insights from Talabat experts. Always inspiring. And now I'd like to introduce our next speaker. Let's welcome Umar Rana, CEO of Alchemative IT e-commerce solution provider. Umar was actually fortunate to be in a position where he could contribute to the digital transformation journey of e-commerce. He is determined to focus on creating solutions and entities around digital ecosystems that transform how we do business and conduct our lives. So, Omar will tell us about optimizing your omnichannel supply chain strategies for success. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I hope you can hear me. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Today's topic is omni-channel supply chain, and it's a slightly technical topic. So I would leave some time in the end for question answer sessions if you require that. I'll try to go through this presentation very briefly, not in too technical details because this is what the format is, and we only have 10 minutes. So yes, let's start. We all know how retailing and e-commerce started. Brick and mortar is there since eternity. And then we have internet, and from internet we have websites and multi-channel, and from multi-channel we have social commerce and then quick commerce and everything else. So when all of this combined, and then COVID happened, and COVID actually speed up everything for us, which eventually led us to a situation where we need to have a solution which can connect all of these multi-channel delivery locations, dark stores, shops and everything in one place. So that is where an omni-channel concept comes in. So omni-channel is a very common discussion topic within e-commerce and retail sector. But generally it is thought to be the omni-channel communications aspect, where you are connecting with your customer through different channels for the purpose of communication and support and fulfilling their orders. But what I'm talking about is omni-channel supply chain. So you're talking about linking your inventory sources, which could be your warehouses, which could be your shops, and then also linking your sales channels, which could be your own website or a marketplace which you are selling on, or your social website. There's some important components for an omni-channel supply chain solution. So we're going to stay here for a moment. We do understand some of these terminologies, all of us, but let's start one by one. So for omni-channel, the most important component is OMS, order management system, because that is where the whole omni-channel equation gets connected. So you have your fulfillment channels, courier companies, you have your multi-sale channels, be it Amazon or whatever, you have your CRM, and then all of that, the operation center is basically the OMS, where you process your orders, simply order management system. The main advantage of omni-channel that automatically comes in is you have your business analytics all in one place, because all of your data is in one location, your network data, your inventory data, everything else. These are some of the benefits we can see in an omni-channel solution. Obviously, you get a seamless customer experience because customer is able to shop online and get a delivery on the store, or go to a store and request a product which is available on some other store or online website, or maybe in a marketplace. You get obviously higher conversion rates because of the reason you are not dependent on warehouses anymore, because all of your shops are connected to your omni-channel solution, which means the spread and the depth of your inventory that is available to your online stores is much more than as compared to a warehouse, which gives you the ability to sell more. You have better analytics, again, coming to the same fact that all your channels are connected in a single solution, so you have better analytics and numbers. These are some of the stats which are available, generally available for, or generally applicable for omni-channel solutions. So we see a 250% higher purchase possibilities from the customer. We see that there are a lot of companies trying to implement omni-channel technology, but they're still not there yet. So omni-channel is one of those important concepts, and why I selected this topic, because when I was connecting with a lot of businesses within UAE, even attending these sessions, I see a lot of talk about omni-channel communication, but never about omni-channel supply chain. And I see a lot of brands in UAE, large ones even, do not have any omnichannel strategy or omnichannel solution in place within their infrastructure. So that's why I thought this topic would be important to understand. So if you are considering omnichannel, or if you want to consider omnichannel for deployment within your business, be it small or big, I have listed out some important steps, because obviously procuring any technology is not simple and straightforward. So the most important step before you take this journey, you have to understand your current business. You have to document, reverse document every process you're following, and then envision a situation where you have a networked system controlling everything. What would the process look like? And then do a gap analysis and try to build the to be state of your business. Once all of that is on paper, then you go to the next stage. You try to find the right technology which can do that, because in an omni-channel you need to find a solution which is integrated with all your courier companies, whichever region you are delivering. They can support forward logistics, they can support reverse logistics because return management is important. They can support tracking, real-time tracking. They can support COD reconciliation once the payment is collected in real time. They can support knockoffs into your ERP, because once you receive the payment, the knockoff should happen automatically. They should be able to support ERPs. So if you implemented Microsoft Dynamics or some small point of sale solution at your site, it should be able to integrate into that omni-channel solution. So that's the second stage, where you identify all those components, and then you see all those components are able to connect with the solution you are trying to implement in your organization. Do a pilot, and the pilot should be very simple. First step, you make sure that all your inventory sources are in one place. Second step, your stores are connected with your logistics, and your multi-channels are also connected with your omni-channel. Just three basic steps. Do a pilot with this, run some reports, verify the numbers, and then you have a go live situation. The moment you go live, the next step is to go to BI. So a lot of businesses have commit this mistake that they try to implement business intelligence reports even before the solution, or try to identify what kind of BI we need. No, you should not never do that. You should have the system in place, because you need data before you can actually get your reports up and running. So that's the last step you do, and then this is the journey which keeps on going. Because once the omni-channel is live, then there you're talking about a lot of other opportunities to explore. There's machine learning. So machine learning can enhance your delivery capability, optimize your cost around your deliveries and fulfillment, help you select the right delivery partner for a particular location or a particular type of product. All of that can happen through machine learning automatically. Obviously, because you have all the data about the customer from all those touch points, so it's for you it's very easy to personalize the recommendations considering all that data which you have. Forecasting becomes pretty easy. Why? Because you, again, coming to the same fact, you have connected all your channels across. So now this was something about omni-channel in general, high level. I am now going to focus a bit more about what we have done in this space. So as a company, we had been working in this logistics space for some time. The very first solution we created was a unified courier solution, which actually integrated all courier and fulfillment companies in a single app. So a merchant can just install that app, and every courier company is connected with their store there and then. With time, we evolved into another omni-channel solution. We got slightly fortunate in that case. We started building our omni-channel solution in 2019 September, because we thought that's the future. Fortunately for us, COVID came and all the stores were shut down, and everybody needed the solution we created. And that solution was renamed Jinko or Ginkgo. And eventually in 2021, we created a company out of it, because it grew so big that it was not possible to have it as a department within the same company. And now we're working towards another solution which is called Killing Key, which is fundamentally B2B commerce and cross-border logistics, because that is where we see that the next frontier for us is. These are the key modules of the system we built. I won't go into details because obviously we already covered that. And I don't think we need to go into this. Some of the numbers we have been managed on our solution. So it's a SaaS solution. And on a SaaS solution, we were able to deliver up to 20 million orders every month, because there are a lot of people using the same SaaS solution. the kind of revenue we generate for our customers. Most importantly, we are connected with 470 different locations within a single SaaS solution for our customers. So these are some numbers we can, obviously, we have pre-integrated ERP. So you talk about Dynamics, Retail Pro, SAP, Oracle, whatever big names, and a lot of smaller names, they're already connected there. Yeah, some success stories, or I would say use cases, what we were able to deliver. I will not go in details, but a couple of them. So there's a brand called Sapphire. It's in UAE as well. It's a global brand. In their 11/11 sale, they got 300,000 orders, and they were able to fulfill these 300,000 orders in just 2 days because of the omni-channel solution that was there. There is another company, Mini Minus, again. There's 75 stores across the nation connected with omni-channel, which means they do not need a warehouse. And essentially, every shop is a warehouse, and every delivery is done through the nearest shop of the person who ordered from the nearest location. So obviously, we will not go further in that. Bit about me. I have over 22 years of experience in technology, primarily in cloud computing, uh, information security, and software development. I started my business 11 years back, was able to create a lot of solutions in within e-commerce, from payments to couriers to omni-channel and everything else. And yeah, I'm still trying to create new solutions. So anybody who's interested in connecting with me, they can scan this code. About the company I created 11 years back, and all these solutions which actually came out of this company. So it's Alchemative, 10 years, 15 countries, 1,000 plus projects, mainly into e-commerce, and not just websites, obviously. You see the ecosystem products we create. Thank you very much. Now I'm here for questions if there are any.
Thank you also, Umar. And actually, I want to, to take a note. Automatic Umar and his colleague Eugenia, here she is, please, applause as well. They prepared some gifts for you guys. So please, after this session, don't hesitate, come to Umar to ask your questions, discuss it, and come to Eugenia to e-commerce community roll up on that corner outside, so to take your gift, to get acquainted and socialize. Thank
Thank
you a
you.
lot. Thank you. And let me introduce our